Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZeeKay live, and I'm back on the reaction side of things, man. You feel me? And we're back with another reaction video. I got the Two Live Studios channel. We got we got the boy CCD and Donnie representing this channel, man. Couch Conversations Houston Car Show Edition. Oh man, I can't wait to get into it, man. See what kind of cars we got in this bitch, man. Let's get straight into it. Let's get it. Oh shit, I'm putting it full screen. CC, hey CC, man, you know, I just want to tell you, bro, you know, I love you, bro, and when I go back to Houston, so hey, if y'all know who CC Big is, man, send this to him. CC, when I come back to Houston, we are locked in, content after content, bro. I'm so serious. Bitches, money, fame, everything. Let's go.
Just get everything.
That's what we had the same idea. Wow.
This dude, we just met him.
All right.
But so this dude, we just met him.
What kind of car is that?
Let's see.
That shit weak as hell. Bro, my white Cruise could have done better than that, bro. Come on, my baby would have done way better than that.
Crazy.
That shit was ass, bro.
I don't like that.
That's what I'm saying, dog. Yeah, y'all motherfuckers. Hey, man, y'all should know. I know my cars, bro. That shit was ass. That shit was weak as hell.
We're gonna keep it going. They trying to go.
Dude, this is just great, dude, watching this. Hey, who's bro with the white tee, man? What's up, dog?
More people coming.
Hey. Why bro licking his lips like this fucking gonna, you know, I'm not a bitch, dog. I'm a dude, man. You know, shout out to you though, bro. Looks like, you know, you're a very good dude, man. But just let you know, there's men watching this too, man, not just girls. Let's continue.
Seems like there's more people coming every couple seconds, honestly. It's
oh shit, we got another. Okay.
Look, get this. Turn around. Yeah, we outside. Yeah, she outside. She acting bad.
Ooh.
She acting bad tonight. She outside with her.
Bro got a fucking bitch hanging out the window.
Girls' night. Okay. Motorcycles is crazy. It is a whole gang of motorcycles over here, though. We need to get that over there, but they not doing nothing.
Second location. Okay. Okay, so they're going to... Okay, well, that first location was weak as shit. I ain't gonna lie, CC. Okay. Okay. He's about to do some donuts? Bro about to do some donuts? Bro, that shit, I can't even see the screen, man. Damn. That shit looks like it's about to fucking fall apart. That's what I'm saying, bro. I would not be able to stand there with all that fucking smoke. Oh. Comment if you know that this is. Wait, comment if you know that this is called. You know what this is called? Bro, what? What are they doing? Looks like they're fuck. Is bro with the black tee trying to fuck the truck? God damn. What are they doing? Copyright strike. Is it done? Fuck it, bro. We'll get copyrighted, man. Just for you, CC. Huh. I ain't gonna lie, bro. All these cars are weak as shit so far, bro. I've seen no good cars that I've, like, went back to first location at. It was getting shut down. Damn. Okay, y'all. So I actually had a question about this. So when the police pull up to, like, a car show or whatever, y'all, do we get in trouble, or are they just, like, clearing that shit out on some shit? Like, how does that even work? Like, cause I seen people do that shit, and there be like hella cops pull up, bro. Like, this shit would be fire, bro, to go to. So I've been to one in Pontiac, Michigan. It was a while ago, but it wasn't like this. It was more of like dirt. Like, they're on dirt and shit, and they're doing like hella flips and shit. But like, I've never been to like a real car show like this. Like, you just go on the middle of the street and just the streets, man. I don't know, man. I haven't seen it like this. Huh? I got a minute left. Shut the door. Damn, bro, they going fast as shit. Bro, hold on. Bro is tripping on that bitch. That motherfucker is tripping. Hey man, well, shout out to CC, man. That was a great, a great little walkthrough of what he did with the Hold on, y'all. My shit's tripping. It was a great walkthrough, bro. A great walkthrough of what he did on that, that beautiful night. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the reaction. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'm out at this bitch, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Hey.